It was time for bed. Mummy tucked Caillou in and kissed him goodnight. Sleep well, Caillou. See you in the morning. Mummy turned out the light and closed the door. Caillou closed his eyes and tried to sleep, but he heard a funny scratching noise in his room, and he saw shadows on his blanket. Caillou reached for the flashlight from his night table drawer. Caillou called, "Mommy!" Mummy came right away. "What's the matter, Caillou?" He pointed at the shapes on his bed. "Monsters, Mommy, look!" Mummy looked at the bed, and then she looked at the window. "Those are just shadows from the window," she told Caillou. Caillou felt better. But what about the noise? "Listen," he whispered to Mummy. "There's a monster going scritch, scratch, scritch." "Let me take a look, Caillou," Mummy said. Mummy searched all around the room. She also checked in the closet. "There aren't any monsters here, Caillou," Mummy said. "Monsters are just make-believe." Mummy went back to bed. Caillou sang a little song. "I'm not afraid of monsters, I'm not afraid of monsters." Suddenly the scritch-scratch noise began again. Caillou jumped up and got out of bed. Something soft fell on top of him. Caillou called out for Daddy. Daddy turned on the light. The soft thing was only Caillou's toy, Snaky. "But there's a real monster here too," Caillou insisted. Daddy had a good look around the room. "There's nothing here, Caillou. Let's play your music box to help you fall asleep." Caillou tried to settle down. Soon the music stopped and the scritch-scratch noise began again. Caillou called out, "Mommy, Daddy, the monster's here!" Caillou jumped out of bed. The bedroom door opened. Caillou saw something in the doorway. Caillou thought it was a monster with two heads.
Introducing I Read With, an innovative dialogic reading method designed to foster language development among young children. I Read With are animated stories that invite children and parents to talk and interact throughout the reading. Each sequence of the story is prompted by questions designed to increase vocabulary and improve reading comprehension and oral fluency. The child plays an active role in the narrative and is ready to learn how to read. Animations are tied to the story, creating an immersive and interactive experience, engaging both parent and child together. I Read With is based on the dialogic reading method created in conjunction with McGill University Child Phonology Lab. Their extensive research shows that the most effective read-alouds are those where children are actively involved. I Read With, ebooks that make children talk.